Very peppery. Tapos yung aroma niya, very peppery din. Spice level niya for me is not very good. It's 5/10. Mas maanghang yung ribs for me. But this is perfect for anyone who's looking for just moderate spice. Dating sa lasa, it's very good. So now, susubukan naman natin ang Solo Hot Pepper ribs nila. Meron silang separate na barbecue sauce. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kaanghang. Subukan muna natin siya without the barbecue sauce. That's a very good chunk. Napakalambot talaga niya. Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung pepper flavor niya. Yung spicy sa akin is hindi ganun kaanghang. But it has some kick to it. Subukan naman natin yung barbecue sauce. So let's... Wow! Tingnan natin kung nag-a-adjust sa flavor. Actually alone, masarap na siya. Would rate this as 8/10. Kapag dinagdagan mo pa siya ng barbecue sauce,